channel. So today I am sharing a nap time lunch sort of routine. So as you can see from the beginning clips, I just put Colton down for a nap. You'll notice that I had to cut off a few of the clips of me trying to give him his bottle. When he sees the camera, he gets all excited, so I had to turn the camera off so he would actually drink his bottle before he went down for a nap. So today is also a collaboration with my new friend Brittany Ann here on YouTube. She is a mom to a little boy named James. He's so cute. Him and Colton need to be friends. That would be awesome, but she lives in Florida and we're all the way up here in Canada, so I don't know how that's gonna happen. But she has an Instagram and a blog and of course a YouTube, and I will leave all her links down below so you guys can check her out. And she's doing a similar video today, so I will of course leave the link to that video down below so you guys can check her out when you're done watching this one. So if you guys want to see how I use my time while Colton is napping and then what we have for lunch afterwards, you guys can keep on watching. If you guys are new, be sure to hit that subscribe button down below. That'll keep you up to date with all of our videos. We usually post 3 times a week here. Cleaning videos, cooking videos, mom and baby videos, all different kinds of things. And if you guys like this video, be sure to hit the thumbs up and leave a comment down below letting me know what else you guys want to see here on our channel. And thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in our next video. Bye!
It is raining outside and we're still in bed. We don't wanna wake up yet, no. 'Cause I just wanna stay there right next to you, baby, yeah. 'Cause we both deserve this time. All work, no play, it's like we're running away. And we can't stay in our beds all day, 'cause we both deserve it all. Maybe we can sleep in and skip work today. Then I'll make you scrambled eggs. We got no plans for the day. Let's stay inside and play video games. No, 'cause we both deserve this time. All work, no play, it's like we're running away. And we can't stay in our beds all day, 'cause we both deserve it all. All work, no play, it's like we're running away. And we can't stay in our beds all day, 'cause we both deserve it all. Wake up at your place, wake up at mine. Same question always. I'm getting tired. We could have breakfast, counting your freckles, close to the west coast. How about that? Why don't we just get a place together? Mornings in our own balconies and bathtubs, what you want? Why don't we just get a place together?
Hi! Hi!
We can get white walls with big windows up on the third floor in our chateau. Why don't we just get a place together? Mornings in our own bed, so much better. Balconies and bathtubs, what you want? Why don't we just get a place together? Why don't we just get a place together? Wake up at your place, wake up at mine. Balconies and bathtubs, what you want?